Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be working on Unit 6, Lesson 3 for Language Arts. And today's going to be a pretty quick day for Language Arts. It's a minimum day, and we have a lot of writing to do tomorrow. So we're just going to be working on the tricky spelling C. And we've learned that some spellings can be pronounced more than one way, and these are those tricky spellings. Kind of like tricky words, sometimes we can't sound out these spellings. So let's continue learning about that tricky spelling C. Okay, so we've learned these two ways to read the letter C. We've learned to read the letter C with the k sound, like in cat, cop, and cup. But we've also learned to read the letter C with the s sound, like in scent, or pencil, or cell. So right now, I'm sorry, we're not quite there yet. Just a reminder, whenever you read a word with the C spelling that you don't already know, you should always try pronouncing it with the k sound, as in cat. Just like we learned in kindergarten, usually this letter C makes the k sound. However, if that doesn't make sense, then flip the sound and try a different way. Try pronouncing it with the s sound, like in scent. Okay, now here we are with our activity. So I have 10 index cards, and they all have the spelling C. Now it's your job to sort them by their by their sounds, if they make the k sound or the s sound. So I want you to pause this video and take just a moment. If you have a pencil and paper, or maybe you have a whiteboard and a marker, you can write s on one side and the k sound on the other side of your your paper or your whiteboard, and then you're going to write the words under each side, kind of like we did yesterday in Class Kick for our workbook page. So go ahead and pause the video and go through each of these, and then once you're ready to check, press play again. Okay, so here are your answers. These words that have the spelling C with the k sound, and I apologize, this should be a K right here, but it's not. Could, close, catch, fact, and class should all be on one side of your paper. On the other side, words with the s sound, bouncing, dancer, cell, pencil, and center should be there. All right, boys and girls, you have another letter C, k, and s sort on Class Kick. That's all for today. Get ready for a lot of writing tomorrow.